Bonjour everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Before learning any language, some points that you need to keep it in your mind. First is define your goals. You must know about your goals, like why you want to learn French. You want to travel somewhere, or you want job somewhere, or you want for personal interest. Second point, be patient. Learning language is not a race, it's a journey. So you will learn step by step only. Third point, establish your routine. You have to give time to your, daily you have to listen something related to language, or you have to read like documents, newspapers of this language. So let me start our today's class. Today we are going to learn about les salutations. Salutation means greetings in French. Today we are going to learn some greetings in French. First is bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello, and we also use for good morning and good afternoon. Another word, salut. Salut. Salut we use for hi or bye. Salut is a informal way to greet someone, where bonjour is our formal way to wish someone.